Plant life cycle. Seeds. The life cycle of a plant begins with a seed. Seeds can be very small and come in different shapes and colors. Inside a seed, there is a tiny plant waiting to grow. Seeds need the right conditions like water, warmth, and soil to sprout. Germination. Germination is the process when a seed starts to grow. When a seed gets the right amount of water, warmth, and sunlight, it begins to sprout. A small root grows down into the soil, and a stem grows upward towards the sunlight. Seedlings. As the stem continues to grow, it develops leaves. At this stage, the plant is called a seedling. Seedlings are still small and delicate. They need proper care, including water and sunlight, to grow stronger. Mature plant. Over time, the seedling grows into a mature plant. The stem becomes taller and sturdier, and the leaves grow bigger. The plant develops flowers, which attract insects or birds for pollination. After pollination, the flowers may produce fruits and seeds. Reproduction. Reproduction is an essential part of a plant's life cycle. Once the flowers are pollinated, they can produce fruits that contain seeds. These seeds can be scattered by the wind, carried by animals, or even fall to the ground. When the seeds find the right conditions, the cycle starts again. Plant life cycle. The plant life cycle is a continuous process, and it varies depending on the type of plant. Some plants may complete their life cycle in a few weeks, while others may take years. Understanding the life cycle of plants helps us appreciate their growth and the importance of seeds in creating new plants. It also reminds us to take care of plants at different stages of their life cycle. So, the next time you see a plant, try to identify which stage of the life cycle it is in. You can observe its seeds, seedlings, and mature plants. It's fascinating to see how a small seed can turn into a beautiful and strong plant. Kulpataru. Like, comment and subscribe.